Hello friends, how are you all? How are you all? Meeting you after a long time. So now in today's topic, I was about to discuss about the lesson, this the lesson which I had described you, the Frog Princess. Coming to the Frog Princess, we have discussed about question and answers and all. So I don't think so you are having any problem. Om Sahu's phone had come to me, but again he did not message me. Om Sahu, you can message me if you are in need of question answers because rest of the students have understood it very well. So we had not discussed about the choose the correct option page 139. Here on your screen right now you can see the determiners, but don't go for that. We will be discussing that later. First of all, we would discuss about page number 139. That is, do you think the sons of Tsar were obedient to their father? So S. Prince Ivan's arrow flew into air and landed in a. Ivan arrows landed in a nobleman's courtyard, rich man's garden, the या फिर picked up, but the youngest Ivan arrow landed in a. Prince Ivan's arrow landed in a swamp. So, not neither nobleman's courtyard nor rich man's garden. It landed in a swamp because he was the youngest of the princes. Who was able to sew a fine shirt for the Tsar? The frog princess, the elder princess, the second princess. So it was none other than frog princess because we knew that she only sewed a fine shirt. So, what did the elder brother think Ivan's wife to be? An angel, a witch, a dirty frog. She thought it a witch. The princess threw the dough into the fire because she did not want to bake the bread. She did not want the old woman to learn her tricks. She wanted to teach the husband a lesson. She did not want the old woman to learn her tricks. Okay. Vasilisa was a prisoner in giant Kosechi's castle, Baba Yoga's hut, Tsar's palace. So it was a giant Kosechi's castle because afterwards Ivan will go there and free her in the end of the story. You have learned that. The prince threw the frog skin into the fire because he hated frog. It was dirtying his house. He did not want his wife to turn into frog again. He did not want his wife to turn into frog again. Okay, that will do. Now coming to on page number 140, you have to write a paragraph regarding why you think Prince Ivan was better than his brothers. Because first thing was he was very obedient. He did not knew that where his arrow will go, but it went into the swamp and there he found a frog, means a female frog holding his arrow. And when he asked her to give back the arrow, it said that he should marry her. So he remembered the promise he had made to his father that wherever the arrow will go, there you will find the bride and you have to marry. So, showing his obedience, he married the frog princess. That shows that he had a much patience. He was patientful. Next is he was obedient, he was patientful, and next he never worried about that how he will manage his life with frog princess and all. He took it calmly and magically his problems were also solved by the frog princess because she was a beautiful princess Vasilisa. That was due to the curse given by that giant Kosechi, and not exactly the curse, but it was a magic done by him, so that the princess turned into frog. So we can see that while other brothers did not had much patience, he had a lot of patience, and he also went deep into the searching of that frog princess, means that show that he was brave, है ना. इधर आपको पेज नंबर इस पे है ना, पेज नंबर 138 पे यू हैव टू राइट द क्वालिटीज ऑफ प्रिंस आइवान. तो यू हैव टू राइट ही हैड अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस, he was brave, he was obedient and polite is given, he was brave, and what more qualities can you suggest? He was means what, he was sincere also in his work, means what he told he did, he used to keep his word. So that is, and he was what to say, obedient you have written. He was what to say, gem of a person, because he was ready to marry the princess, like that. So all that you can write in this paragraph. Write a paragraph on why you think Prince Ivan was better than his brother. Now this conversation yourself and an animal means this is very personal. You can choose any animal of your choice, and you can give a fancy name to animal as well, and then you can write 14 dialogues, 7 of yourself and 7 of the animal, what the animal will be telling to you. This I want yourself to write because this is personal. Even if I choose any animal, it will not be right. Whatever animal you want to choose, you must choose. Okay. Then coming to test your grammar skill. In that, question number C, first one, you see page number 142. After that, we will talk about determiners. Okay. So in that, fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. Each one of them shot an arrow. Shot an arrow. They were not allowed to go beyond the palace. Palace is particular, the is always definite article, and a is a vowel, so we must use an. The rich man's daughter was an arrogant girl. They were each asked to bake a dash of bread. They were each asked to bake a already given in the, so no need to write an article there. A loaf of bread for the Tsar. For the Tsar. Tsar is a particular person, so definite article will be used here. She sent her husband alone to dash the palace to the palace, while she arrived later in a carriage. Okay. Carriage is common, palace is particular. So now see question number 2. Fill in the blanks with determinants. So here is a question you might be wondering what determinants are. See now, I have for you words that comes at the beginning of the noun. They are determinants. Words that come at the beginning of the noun, they are determinants. Introduces noun, determines noun, whether a noun is specific or general. Means first is that determinants, words that come at the beginning of the noun. Second is determiners, introduces noun. Third is determines noun, and fourth is whether a noun is specific or general. Then we will be coming to the there are 4 types of determiners. I have lost that picture, I think. There are 4 types of determinants. Basically determinants are classified into 4 types, that is quantifiers, possessives, demonstratives, and articles. Now, talking about articles determiners, articles determines which noun the speaker is referring to. Articles determine which noun the speaker is referring to. Indefinite article, a and general version of noun. A book is a man's best friend. So when you have to add indefinite article, you can add a definite article for specific version of noun, that is the Bhagavad Gita is one of the holy books of Hinduism. So clear about articles, a and general version of the noun, and you know when to use before the vowels, and a is a indefinite article, and definite article the when you have to use for proper noun, and that we had discussed in the articles. So second type of determiner is demonstratives. This, that, these, those. So demonstrative determiners are this, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns are also used as determiners. So demonstrative pronoun this, that, these, those, you know very well. Last year also I told you demonstrative pronouns. So they are used as determiners. They are used to point something specific within a sentence. They focus attention on the nouns that they are replacing. Examples: I want to go to that movie. He wanted those boys to go away. So that, these, those, anything you can add. This is demonstrative. Now possessive. Possessive pronouns are the words that are used to show ownership. My, your, his, her, our, their, mine also will come in this. Possessive pronoun mine भी आएगा इसमें. तो ये डिटर्मिनेंट्स प्रोनाउंस के ऊपर बहुत डिपेंड है. जैसे अपन ने अभी पढ़ा डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस एक टाइप है इसका, एक पोसेसिव प्रोनाउन टाइप है, एक आर्टिकल्स है. तो पोसेसिव प्रोनाउंस आर यूज्ड pronouns are words that are used to show the ownership. For example, where is your bike? It is our secret recipe. Means our and your are possessive pronoun. This is my book. I am going to her house. Like that you can, it is his pen. Like that examples for possessive pronouns. So yeah, I think it is clear for you. Now last but not the least is quantifier pronouns. Quantifiers, the name itself indicate that it is a quantity. Some, few, little, much, more, any. They indicate how much or how little of the noun is being discussed. Examples: he took some books of mine. He has few apples in the refrigerator. I have little money left with me. I have few friends. Okay. So quantifiers. Depending now that your idea about determiners is clear, we can solve this fill in the blanks with the help of determiners. Do not take, here article determiner will come. Do not take a book. It is dash rather boring one. It is, what will come in this? It is much rather boring one. It is much rather boring one. All the students were wearing a tie dash to assemble, were wearing a tie were wearing a dash tie to assemble by dash side of stage. Were wearing a what to say, were wearing a introducing before or were wearing they have already given all the students were wearing a tie. A tie will only come, a tie to assemble by that side of the stage. Okay, so here it is rather confusing. They are confusing us. All the students were wearing a tie to assemble by that side of the stage. Okay, you need to deposit the money in dash bank attached to school. In any bank attached to school, you need to deposit the money in any bank. Any is there ना. क्वांटिटी प्रोनाउन में, क्वांटिफायर्स में देखिए एनी आता है. तो यू नीड टू डिपॉजिट द मनी इन एनी बैंक अटैच्ड टू द स्कूल. Dash of the students could speak English. Few of the students could speak English. Dash unanimously agreed to go for dash picnic. Some unanimously agreed to go for that picnic. Okay. So have you understood what is determiners now? If you don't understand, you can watch this video again and again. Clearly it has been mentioned what are determiners, types of determiners, everything is there. So you no need to confuse. Now that question number D is fill in the blanks. Fun with vocabulary. The boys dash under their breath is decent when they were asked to come to school on Sunday. The boys jeer under their breath in dissent when they were asked to come to school on Sunday. Monica dashed to Johnny that he should meet her for lunch after the class. Monica whispered to Johnny that he should meet her for lunch after the class. The teacher dashed that surprisingly the class had done very well in the English. The teacher exclaimed. The teacher exclaimed. The girls dash at Lena when she could not answer in the class. The girls cackle. Cackle म्हणजे हसना, कह कह लगाना. Lakshay dash in pain when the doctor began to stitch up his wound. Lakshay moaned. Moaned not given, so groan. Groan. Groaned in pain. Groaned actually you should add ed. Groaned in pain when the doctor began to stitch up his wound. The little boys dashed loudly when they saw the jokers in the circus perform silly tricks. The little boys jeered. Here jeered will come. Wait, we will see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words are there. So question number 6 का jeered आएगा दोस्तों. The little boys jeered म्हणजे जोर से खुश होना. The girls began to grumble when the teacher announced a treat only for the boys of the class. The girls began to grumble. And the boy first fill in the blank पे ध्यान दीजिए. The boys mutter under their breath in dissent when they were asked to come to school on Sunday. So here ends this lesson. It was a very good lesson. In the next video I will be sending you next lesson. So till then, please complete your notes and be ready with the grammar part also. Till then, have a good day.